And at last you have membership expires on date. So if you select the checkbox, you will get one calendar. Just select the checkbox, scroll down. Click on that icon. And now scroll down the entire page, not this step. No, not this step. Entire page. Yeah. Scroll down here. We can see one calendar. So, for example, you have a requirement, like you need to provide access to one particular user for particular time period. For example, you got a requirement like you need to provide access to all the accounts which are onboarded into this safe for 10 days. Then what you will do, you need to select this membership expires on date and select the 9 plus 10, 19. So you need to select 19th date on the calendar. Then after 90, the date, automatically that end user will not be able to see any accounts which are onboarded into this safe. So, simply, you are restricting the access for particular time period. So, in case, if you want to restrict the access for particular time period, then you need to select a membership expires on date. Okay, so after that particular date, that end user will not be able to see any accounts. After he log in. Okay. Yeah. Close this. Any doubts, you can ask me. No, none for the moment. So all of the actions, whatever we configure on this platform, is only for the safe, that is, to be controlled via PWA, except for the last one. Yeah, of whatever accounts you have onboarded into the safe one. So all those accounts permissions will be restricted at safe level by selecting these options. That's right, okay. Yeah. Replicate RSL 11.2. Yeah. So we just load it on a component. Yeah. I think the folder should be by default map. Let me check. You are still able to see my screen, right? Yeah. Okay. Cyber VM. And replicate. Yeah. Copy this file to your VM and extract. Run the setup. What is this installer? Yeah, before running the setup, I will tell you like. So this replicate utility is required for taking Vault backup. So, in case, if you want to take your Vault backup, either full backup or incremental backup, you need to install this replicate utility in any one of the components or in a different server. Okay. Yeah, now click on Next. Yes. Yeah, you can provide any name here. Okay. So even this is getting in private itself. Yeah. Private folder. Okay. It should create a shortcut, or we have to look for that file. So it got installed right now. Yeah, see program files. Excited. Private your property with a private doc. Private doc. The replicate. This is the installation directory for your repeated utility. Now open Wall 2010 and change your type address. Yep. OK. Attended. 1.1. I'll just save this. Yeah, so we have updated our IP address. After installing Vault Server, you will get 7 default users. So out of 7 default, 1 user is backup user. So that backup user will be helpful for taking the Vault backup. So now you need to log into private R client and activate that backup user so that backup user will be helpful for taking the Vault backup. Yeah, expand system. Select the backup. Yeah, go to update. Click on update button. So here you can see the unselect that and go to authentication tab and set one password for this. That's fine. Click on OK, close. Yeah, close and log off from the private. Yeah, minimize this. So what we did is we have activated our backup user in the private client. So now we need to create the credit file for this user. Go back to your installation. Director of the replicate utility. Yeah, left hand side. Yeah. So here in case, not only for this user, in case either CPM or PSM or PWA that user credit files got corrupted, then we have a utility called create credit file. So using that utility, we can create credit files for that particular user. Now you have opened, close this command prompt. I will tell you one easy way, just on the empty space. Hold the shift. No, on the empty space. Hold the shift key. Open command window here. Now type create and hit the tab key. Tab key in your keyboard space user. So we can create .files or .credit files. Also for credit files, hit enter. Give the username as backup. So just you have activated your backup user in the private client. Just we are providing that username and hit enter and provide the password. whatever you have entered in the private client for this.